Thursday, 11 o'clock. This feels amazing. I've never slept in this late. So we're trying to check out brunch at, this is the Sunshine restaurant. If this doesn't work, we would just go to the buffet, but I just wanted to check it out, see. I've never done C-Day brunch on Carnival, so let's see. Checked in. It says 10 to 20 minute wait. So I sound the worst out of everybody. We said let's just go to Java Blue and get a coffee. I want to try out Java Blue, so I'm always down to go anywhere. It's really cute. You can read books in here, and they have board games. You can just rent out. It's such a good idea. Here's the menu. Your standard coffee, espressos. I think I'm gonna get, I'm not in the mood for a spiked coffee, so probably a latte. Ooh, the Celsius Monster Sparkling Water. Okay, a bit more than I thought. Probably gonna get a latte. There's so many options. Everybody's really friendly on the sailing. I don't know what it is. Everybody's just happy to have the 2 days off in the weekend. I'm happy. So it's cool. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do. Yeah. Latte sounds good. If you are like me and you don't like hot, scalding hot beverages, whew, well, this is hot. Mia's a genius. We're gonna go to a bar and go get some ice because these are a little too hot. I want to consume it now. Elise, yours is hot too? Like scalding? It's scalding. It's not just me. Thank you. I just put a little. I know. She was rolling her eyes like, what do they want? Okay, let's go. Thank you.
So far this trip is amazing. A lot of different things to do on the boat, but some of the areas are separated in which you can't get to it from the actual deck that it's on. So, you gotta go up a deck and then come down in order to get to it. Right now I'm trying to get to the Sunrise, or Sunshine restaurant to meet up with everyone, but it's on deck 3, but I gotta go up to deck 5, come around, walk across, and then go back down to deck 3 again. So it's a little dilemma that I'm going through right now, but beautiful ship though.
With his new phone, he has the whole menu. Go ahead, show YouTube, because they can read it from all the way over here. What's on the menu? So everybody's trying to balance their life, and Dwayne is not.
Literally.
I feel like copy paste.
Right? Literally.
I just feel like you're in my head and you were just like, I'm gonna do this because I know she's about to order.
Nah, bro,
Response.
nobody got time for that. I live a healthy lifestyle.
Like this ongoing feud.
Yeah,
Anywhere?
He starts things with me. Let me I mind my business. He starts things with me.
I went into the kid's face and I was just cracking up. I was cracking up.
Oh wow. Oh, it's pillowy. Oh, okay.
You didn't try to open it yet? Okay. So you just made it to mine that you just...
Alright, I'm home. This is what I'm talking about. This is better than that crawfish thing last night. This is great. Alright, how was it?
Like a big music.
Yeah? Oh.
That's good.
Do it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, iron your clothes for elegant nights. Swipe. Okay. And there's how many here? I was like, wait. 6, so 3 and 3. Nice. So it's not too big in here, but hey, it gets the job done. There's only one for the entire floor. So if you really, I bet in here is busy on the last day. Hey, we got a towel animal.
What is it?
Hi. Who are you? What are you? Oh my gosh, you're holding something. Oh, this is nice. This is really cool. So that's our stateroom attendant. I don't know yet.
I think it's a puppy.
Yeah, you are a puppy.
With the floppy
With the
ears.
floppy ears. Very cute.
Oh, I love it.
It's
Okay,
cute.
let's see what mine is. Oh,
So last night, I decided, yeah, I'm thirsty after the club. So I opened up one of these bottles. And now when we got back to our room and everything is changed, they put these tags on there now saying that they're $4.25. So again, I believe that because Dwayne has gold, we get one free bottle of water and then everything after that we have to pay for. So I'm going to enjoy this one free bottle of water. That's my first C-Day brunch. It was so good. So good. Everything everybody ordered looked delicious. Well, okay, I didn't too much care for Dwayne's plating, his steak and eggs. And it looked like the powdery eggs, so I wouldn't get the eggs again. But the shrimp and grits, Emerald, you know what you're doing. That was a good addition to the menu. The shrimp and grits was really good. And that skillet cake. Yeah. I will be going. We already agreed. We're going to go to C-Day brunch again on that's the last day. We are going to C-Day brunch and we're going to probably going to get the same thing. No shame in that. I'm going to get the same thing and enjoy it. So we all decided we're going to change and we're going to go check out Serenity. I've never been to the adults only section, so I didn't even know it existed the last time I was on Carnival. So gonna change and head up to Serenity. Alright, heading upstairs to Serenity. To go up this staircase. So it's not easy to get to if stairs aren't your thing. they have showers up here too. Wow. Upstairs is pretty crowded. Everybody's on one side because the other side is extremely windy. So we're gonna just go check out the bar. So I got the Saint Germain cocktail, Saint Germain elderflower liqueur. Let's try that again. Saint Germain elderflower liqueur, prosecco, and soda water at the top. This is, if you don't like a gin and tonic, because gin and tonics are really refreshing, go for this. It's not sweet. It's not, you know, it's very light. I can drink a lot of these. But, you know, Carnival's a hater, limits us 15, so I can only drink some. So when you go through the doors, right at Serenity, they have Circle C. They have O2 here. So right when you come through these doors from Serenity, you can drop off the kids at Camp Ocean. It's so convenient. You're right here, super close to the kids. Okay, so past the smoking section. Oh, yes, this is where we wanted to be. Yes, the front of the ship. So we are aft. So we can try this out next time. Oh, and here is, I believe, the adults pool where we ate last time. Oh, they took away the tables.
Oh yeah.
Where we had lunch. Oh, I love that. Look at the view from that hot tub. This is nice. Don't want to wait on the line for seafood check, you can actually order it on the Carnival app. We just went on there. The only thing you can't order are the market items, but everything else you can get on the app. So yeah, no seafood check. We're gonna have to do some burgers because we stood online for 25 minutes and didn't move. Another day, a little disappointed because it looked really, really good, but it's okay. Guys, bring your Dramamine. I don't know if because this is a smaller ship than we're used to. If it's because it's older. I haven't been seasick on a cruise and I don't know when. I don't think ever. but this boat is it's rocking. It's all I can do. Just lay here. But Dwayne was so sweet. He went and got us dinner and ate a few things. I just wish the bar would deliver to your room. That's it. Plain. Like I could drink anything. I'm going to go close my eyes now.